Hello guys, today we're going to talk about how to make input statements in Python. So the usefulness of making an input statement is making the user be able to respond to a specific prompt that Python gives out. So in Visual Studio Code, what you are going to want to do is click on File and name your Python file with a .py. And this is going to just let Python know that this is a Python file and not any other file. So what you're going to want to do is create a variable, and you're going to want to name this variable name, and then you're going to want to set that equal to input, and then in parentheses, what is your name? And then you are going to put in a new line print, and then in parentheses name. What this is going to do is print your name. And let's take a look at one more example. So pizza equals 5. We have that variable. And so we're going to say pizza equals input. How many slices would you like to have? And then we're going to say print pizza. And all this is going to do is take the number of slices that the user inputted and print the number of slices. So thanks guys for watching, and see you in my next video.